Like many companies affected by the financial tsunami, Murata Electronics was hit by a drastic drop in business. It had to cut costs within the fastest possible time. Instead of retrenching as the first resort, Murata worked closely with the union, United Workers of Electronic and Electrical Industries, to work out various cost-cutting measures together. These measures include cutting overtime work, shutting down the factory temporarily, and shortening shift hours. The union helped the workers understand the rationale behind the measures so that the company could save as many jobs as possible with the workers' support. The union was concerned that the workers continued to be employable. Taking advantage of the reduced working hours, the union suggested that Murata upgrade their workers' skills. This was adopted immediately by the management. E2I and WDA understood their requirements and enhanced the Skills Upgrading and Resilience program to make it relevant. In the meantime, NTUC Learning Hub and the Institute of Technical Education also stepped in to customize the training modules for Murata's specific needs. For example, ITE extended training hours and rescheduled its full-time classes to ensure that there were sufficient classrooms for Murata's workers. From discussion to implementation, it took all the parties less than a month to send the first batch of Murata's workers for full-time training. Murata became the first company to sign up for SPUR. Today, more than 150 companies and 28,000 workers are embarked on SPUR. Over at Seiko Instruments, the company also faced similar challenges. The management and the union decided to tap on SPUR to train their workers and upgrade their skills during this lull period. E2I, WDA, and Nanyang Polytechnic worked together to plan and coordinate the company's specific training and funding needs. The new course was launched quickly, and workers started training in a very short time. Despite adopting all these measures, the severity of the downturn left Seiko with no other option but to let go of some of its flexible buffer workforce, made up of contract employees from overseas. As a company, Seiko also treasures its experienced staff. Together with the union, Seiko signed an agreement to re-employ older workers who were still able to contribute to the company. This put them in a strong position to take advantage of the upturn and retain experienced staff. It's not all doom and gloom in this economic downturn. Asia Malls Management, a mall operator, was intent on enhancing the shopping experience of its customers by helping their retailers improve service quality. However, the lean manpower made it difficult for retailers to send their staff for full-day training held at a separate venue. Having learned of this challenge, E2I came up with the idea of bringing service training to the tenants instead. With a specially designed on-site bite-sized training program, training sessions are conducted at the mall and delivered in bite-sized modules of 1 hour each. For the pilot run, Kaplan Professional developed a customized, innovative, and comprehensive customer service training course. It includes on-the-job coaching by trainers who will observe if tenants have applied their knowledge effectively. Asia Malls continue to be deeply involved, taking care of the needs of the tenants, providing logistics and support to run the course. It also promoted the new curriculum to its tenants by incentivizing them to participate. The OSBS pilot project received strong support from the tenants, especially Kopitiam, who coordinated trainings for its stallholders and provided the training venue. Today, apart from the White Sands Mall where customers can expect a better shopping experience, Asia Malls is extending this training program to more malls, more tenants, and more staff across the island.